In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your icons using Adobe XD. Icon design is a crucial part of digital interfaces, and getting it right can significantly enhance user experience. Let's dive in and explore how you can create, organize, and export icons efficiently. First, start by creating your icon artwork. Your base size will typically be around 24 by 24 pixels, or whatever your design system specifies. Using Adobe XD's vector shape tools is ideal for this task, as they allow you to create scalable and precise designs. Begin by crafting each icon carefully, focusing on clarity and simplicity, which are key components of effective iconography. If you have a multitude of icons to design, it's helpful to place each icon on its own artboard. Alternatively, you can group them in a consistent format to streamline the export naming and organization process later on. Consistency in sizing, stroke weight, alignment, and adherence to a visual grid is essential to ensure your icon set looks cohesive and professional. Once your designs are complete, it's time to mark each icon for export. This involves selecting the icon or group you want to export, then navigating to the Property Inspector or Layers panel. Here, you will find the option to Mark for Export, which appears as an export icon next to the layer name. By using Shift-Select, you can quickly mark multiple icons at once, saving you valuable time. After marking your icons, set your desired export scales and formats. In the Export dialog, you have the option to select multiple scales depending on your target platforms. For web applications, export at 1x and 2x resolutions. For iOS, consider 1x, 2x, and 3x. For Android, you might need to export at various densities such as LDPI, MDPI, HDPI, XHDPI, XXHDPI, and XXXHDPI, which correspond to 75%, 100%, 150%, 200%, 300%, and 400% respectively. It's important to choose the right format. PNG is suitable if raster images are required, while SVG is recommended for vector icons that need to scale without losing quality. If necessary, you can manually set PNG export sizes like 16:16, 24:24, or 48:48 to meet custom requirements. Once all icons are prepared, you can export them together. Access the export feature via File, then Export, and choose Batch, Selected, or All Artboards, depending on your XD version. Define a destination folder for your exports. Ensure your file names are meaningful and consistent across the set, such as icon search at 1x PNG or iconsearch.svg. Organizing files into subfolders like /png /1x or svg can also aid in a tidy and professional handoff. It's crucial to verify your exports to ensure each icon displays correctly in all required sizes and formats. Check for any potential issues, such as cropping, alignment problems, or unexpected background colors. Icons usually need transparent backgrounds. For vector files, make sure the view box is set correctly and the artwork scales properly. Finally, if you're handing off to developers or including icons in design specs, be sure to provide clear instructions. When publishing your specs link, make sure assets are included and downloadable. A README file or naming guidelines can help developers understand which icon sizes to use on different platforms, like web, mobile, or Android devices. By following these steps, you can create and export a professional and functional icon set that enhances the design and usability of your projects.